welcome back to Girl Talk World. I'm Poppy and today I'm going to be showing you these really cool Bandai bananas. Now I actually don't know what they are like inside, but they look really cool on the outside. It's quite exciting, so I'm going to open them and show you and I'm going to take a look. I just want to take a look at what I get inside. Oh, they smell really good. They smell quite fruity. That's quite cool. Okay, so you get 24 collectibles. So these are all the little cute sort of things that you can collect. Oh, look at them. In each bunch, you get 15 surprises. So let's see what you get. You get 15 hidden surprises and 21 gemstone stickers. I wonder what they look like. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open one and I'm gonna take it off of the bunch. Okay, so I've just unclipped these ones. So I'm going to start with the yellow one and see what we get inside. I think what I need to do is unpeel the banana. So, have a look. Oh, that is the most satisfying thing. Oh, look at all these little things you get inside. That's so exciting. I can sort of really smell banana now as well. Yeah, it smells really like this banana. It's like a sweet smell. It's really nice. Oh, what are these? Oh, they're so pretty. Look at these little gems. You've got 7 of them there. Maybe you could stick them to the banana as well. That would look really cool. You could put them on the outside. That would look really good. Well, I wonder what these little things are. I've got these 2 little things in. Oh, what are they? They sort of look like grapes, kind of. It looks like grapes. It's got a little face in it. That's really cute. Oh look, I've got another one in here as well. What's this? Oh, look at that. That's so cute. It's got a little face on it there as well. Okay, I'm gonna open the next little packet. Oh, I wonder what this is. Oh, it's like a little leaf thing. Right, if I put that down there, let's see. Oh, okay, I think it's gonna attach to this. I think this is like one of those little vine hangers. It's like those kind of vines, look, and you hold them like that. Maybe that's for a character to sit on. And I think they clip together. Okay, so that's quite cool. That clips together like that. So let's see what we've got in the last packet then. Oh, look at that! Oh, look! That's so cute. Oh, he dropped over. So that's a little squishy friend. Look, and you get a little squishy sticker with it as well. This must go on my vine hanger because it looks like it's got a little bit at the bottom where it goes into this bit here. See if I can. Oh, look, it hangs on the little vine hanger. I just want to take this and see which one I've got because it's so cute. So if we have a look, it tells you if they're rare. So look, it says they're common, rare or ultra rare. Let's see which one I've got. Oh, I've got a rare one, look. It's Princess P. P unicorn is what it says. Oh, that's exciting. I've got a rare one. Look at that, that's so cute. So this is what you get. So I'm gonna put them here together. So I get my little sticker of Princess P unicorn. I've got my really cute gemstone stickers there. And I've got my little pieces of fruit and my vine hanger and my cute squishy friend. Okay, so I'm gonna go for I think I'll leave the purple one till last and go for the other yellow one. Oh, I get a lot stronger banana now actually. Right, let's open it up. Love this bit of these squeezy bits. Oh, so let's take out what we've got inside this one. Okay, let's see, let's open this one first. I think this could be another vine hanger. That's what it feels like. Oh, it's a blue one this time. Oh, and a little blue, and a little blue leaf. Oh, I really like that. And the blue one and the green one will look nice together as well. There we go. Oh, look at these gem stickers. Oh, I really like these ones. I really like the purple colour. And look, they're little love hearts as well. You get the little love hearts and the little dots. Oh, I think the purple would look really nice if you stuck them to the banana. Oh, that looks really pretty. Right, I'm gonna put these there, my other little stickers. Oh, let's see it, what else? Oh, I think this is a little slice of pizza. Oh, look at that, that's so cute. And it's got a little face on it as well. It's kind of got like a little, it looks like a little robot face. It's sort of quite square, that's really cute. Oh, look at that. It's a pumpkin. Right, I'm gonna open the last one now again, which I think might be my squishy friend. Oh, this is really cute. It sort of looks like a giraffe, kind of. Like it's got like giraffe print on its face. Oh, look, and you get a shiny sticker with it as well. Oh, that's so cute. Look at its little smile. Right, let's see which one this is as well. Lucy Leopard. Oh, it's a leopard. Oh, I look at the little blue dots on it as well. And that's a rare one as well. Gosh, I'm getting very lucky. I've got all the rare ones today. And I think I can connect this to the other vine hanger. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Oh, they hang like together. Right, let's open the last banana and see what is inside. Right, okay, I'm gonna peel it. Right, I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, we've got some red stickers this time. Oopsie daisy, I'll pick that up. Wow, look at these, they're so pretty. I actually love the love hearts on them, especially like the big red one. And look, they really go with the other stickers we've got as well. Okay, I've got my little mini squishy friend back, and I get 2 of them as well. This one looks like, I think that might be a pineapple. It's a bit like a pineapple, but it looks like it's got a little colour on it, but it's got a really cute face. I think that might be an orange. That is very cute. Sort of looks like it's got a little like face of like a little bird, kind of. This might be another vine hanger. Oh, we've got a little orange one this time. Clip that together and put that one there. Oh, look, so we've got an orange, a green, and a blue. Right, last thing, I'm gonna open my little surprise friend. Now I wonder what this one is gonna be. Oh! Wow, look at this one. Oh, that is so cute. Look at the little crushy sticker as well. Oh, I love that. And in the bunch, you get the collector's guide. So let's see which one this is. I've got Mildred, oh, it's a cow. Oh, that's so cute. Look at it. I'll put my little Mildred on there. If you look, they all hook together, look at that! So you get the 3 surprise friends and 3 vines as well. And then you could even maybe like hang that up somewhere in your room, or you could hook it to something. That is so, so cute, look at that. Look at all the stuff I've got here. I'm so lucky. So I've got my 3 little banana holders in here, so I can put all the stuff back in, and they all clip together, which is brilliant. I've got my little collector's guide, my 3 crushy stickers, my like really cute like mini squishy friends. I love them, and they're like little bits of fruit. I've got 21 gem stickers, which you could decorate all over your bananas or anything else. And then I get my 3 vine holders and my little surprise friends, which is so, so cute. So you can get a pack, a bunch of bananas all together for $9.99, which is brilliant. Or you could just get one like this on its own for $3.99. So if you've got a birthday coming up soon, I mean, it's a great present, isn't it? Bandai bananas. So definitely I'd be asking your mum and dad for that. But if you forget any of that, don't worry, because we're going to put the details about it down below. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I absolutely love these Bandai bananas. They are really, really cute. So I think I'm going to see what other characters I've got inside now in a minute. And make sure, if you enjoyed this video, to subscribe to the Girls Talk World channel and to check out the rest of our videos on our channel. See you next time. Bye!